So for question 7, we are told that we have a motorist that applies two parallel forces, each of value F to a steering wheel of diameter D as shown. Both forces are at an angle of theta to the diameter. So the question then asks, what is the torque of the pair of forces? Now, alright, at this point, I just want to say that torque is just another way of saying moment. Okay, what is the net moment of the pair of these forces? Okay, so taking moments about this particular pivot over here, we have the diameter, which is given to us as D. So this is just going to be D over 2. Now, if we take a look at this particular force, if we resolve this particular force to its vertical and horizontal component, okay, we have Fy and Fx. Of course, we know that Fx does not contribute to moment, okay, does not contribute to the moments. Why? Because its perpendicular distance is 0. We know that the perpendicular distance is 0 because if we stretch Fx all the way, all right, you realize that it cuts directly through the pivot. Okay, so this is a secondary school thing. Please recall this bit of information. So the only force that provides a moment, the component that provides a moment is going to be Fy. Okay, so what is Fy? Fy is going to be F sine of theta. Okay, so the moment due to Fy, is going to be D over 2 multiplied by F sine of theta. And in this case, we can see that it will cause the steering wheel to turn in a clockwise manner. Now, by symmetry, we can say that the same, okay, for the other force, all right, we also have Fy, which gives rise to a moment, okay, and Fy is also going to be F sine of theta, and the distance over here is also going to be D over 2. So the moment due to this second force, okay, the second Fy is going to be D over 2 F sine of theta, and you realize that also this particular moment is going to be clockwise as well. So what is the net moment? Okay, the net moment, all right, we have a double contribution of D over 2 F sine theta in the clockwise direction. So we are going to take 2 times D over 2 F sine theta. The 2's will cancel out and we just have D F sine theta. So the answer for this is going to be B.